Hi friends, in continuation to our earlier first clip of making pongal, the rice and the dal that is still soaking in the water. I can show it to you from a closer look. I've taken a utensil, I put the rice and the dal and I put the water and it is still soaking in the water. So this I have showed to you, and meanwhile I have also taken all the vegetables. I have sliced and diced and I can show it to you. The sliced and diced vegetables, the tomato, the onion, the potato, and the capsicum. I've also taken some masalas. That is the jeera, cumin seeds, garam masala, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Cumin seeds, jeera, garam masala, coriander powder, that is the dhania powder, red chili, lal mirch, turmeric powder, haldi powder. These things I have taken, and we will go to our next segment of making that dry curry. So again I have a pan, the same pan that I am using it, and just switch it on. And let it come to a heat, and we will start making the sabzi, the dry curry. Again I will be taking a ghee to make this sabzi. I'll just take the ghee first. I'm just taking the ghee that we will be using to make this curry. So the pan has come to a good hot. I'm just putting the ghee. Just put some ghee into it. I put nice quantity of ghee, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee I have put, and let this all come to a good heat. And then we will proceed with our making the sabzi that we are making, the dry sabzi that we will be making. So let this first come to a good heat. Well, it has come to a nice heat now. Now I will dump everything inside this. Everything I will dump it slowly. All the vegetables I will dump it first. That is the potato, these things I will dump it. I'll just dump these things inside, and now I'll put all the masalas that I have with me. All these masalas together I'm dumping it. I need to mix it nicely. I need to mix everything nicely. I'm just mixing it nicely. This will mix nicely and thoroughly. We'll mix it nicely. That's it. I've mixed everything nicely. I can show it to you from a closer look. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Here is the dal and the rice which is still there soaking in the water, and this is the sabji. You can look. Now to this I'll be adding the ginger garlic paste that I have with me. The ginger garlic paste. So I'll add a good one teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can see this little bit ginger garlic paste that I have. This I'll be adding it. So I just added two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Again I'll be mixing it nicely. I'll be mixing this ginger garlic paste nicely once again. This needs to cook well. This needs to cook well. I'm working on a medium flame. I'm not put a high flame or a low flame. I'm working on a medium flame, especially for this curry. So this needs to cook for some time. So this vegetable curry that I'm making, I'll be having it with a pongal that we'll be making now. Just mix the curry nicely. Well, let this curry cook for some time. Let this curry cook for some time. I'll just cover it up. With a lid. I'll just cover it up. I can show it to you from a closer look. I can just show it to you from a closer look. So this is that, you can see. I'll just cover it up from a closer look. So let this curry cook. Meanwhile, what I do is, this water that is there in the utensil, this I will drain it off, and then we will go ahead and make the pongal. So this capsicum we will put at last in that sabji that we are making. So we will continue in a third segment. There we will be making this pongal, full-fledged pongal. Now first I will drain the water and then come back. So thank you for watching, and please do keep watching.